Hi, hello viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I am Radha here to teach for you. So viewers, today's class I brought 8th mathematics linear equations in one variable. So in the linear equations in one variable, we have completed up to exercise 2.2 sixth question. We have completed till sixth question. So today let us discuss about seventh and eighth question. Okay. So what is the seventh question here? See, the seventh question is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So what they are saying here, the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. They are saying sum of three consecutive multiples. We don't know that consecutive multiples. We have to consider it as a variable. Okay, consider three consecutive multiples are A comma B comma C. We don't know these three consecutive multiples, but the sum of these three consecutive multiples is 888. But we know that consecutive, the term consecutive is very important. What is consecutive? We know the, what do you mean by multiples? We know the multiples of 8. Which are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. These are the multiples of 8. So here the first number, we don't know the first number. If the first number is A means, and the second number will become A plus 8, because they are saying the multiples of 8. If first number is A means the second number B is equal to A plus 8 and the third number C is equal to A plus 16. A plus 16. Okay. And also we can consider it as C is equal to B plus 8. We can also consider it as C is equal to B plus 8. For easy calculation, I am taking A only. A is the first number. The second number B is equal to A plus 8. And the third number C is equal to A plus 16. The sum of these three consecutive multiples means A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to 888. What is A? A, write as it is. Plus what is B? We know that B is equal to A plus 8. Substitute the value of B. Next C. What is C? C is equal to A plus 16 is equal to 888. Okay. A plus A 3. A plus 16 plus 8 24 is equal to 888. Okay, next 3a is equal to 24 is equal to 888. 3a, right, as it is in the LHS side, we have to send plus 24 from LHS to RHS. If we send plus 24 from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 24. 3a is equal to 888 minus 24. It will become 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 2, 6, 8. 864. Again we have to send 3 from LHS to RHS. If we send 3 from LHS to RHS, it will become 864 divided by 3. Why? Because here 3 is multiplied in the LHS side. If we send multiplied 3 from LHS to RHS, it will become divided by 3. Okay. Next, we have to divide 864 from 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Again 2 will become 2 6 26. 3 eights are 24. Again 2 will become 2 4 24. Again 3 eights are 24. A is equal to 288. The first number A is equal to 288. Next we have to find out the second number. What is second number? Second number is B is equal to A plus 8. Means B is equal to 288 plus 8. B is equal to 296. The second number is B is equal to 296. And the third number C is equal to A plus 16. 3 is equal to A plus 16. C is equal to 288 plus 16. Or we can also write it as C is equal to B plus 18. It will become C is equal to 304. 304. This is the third number. The first three consecutive multiples. The three consecutive multiples are 288 and second one is 296. Third number is 304. Okay. These are the multiples. Next we have to move for 8th question. So what is 8th question here? It's a big statement but easy calculation. Okay, the 8th question is three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Again they are saying three consecutive integers are such that. Three consecutive integers. We don't know that consecutive integers, and they are saying those consecutive integers are in increasing order. So consider A, B, C are the three consecutive integers. Okay, so these three consecutive integers are in the form of increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4. They are saying consecutive integers. So consecutive integers, A is the first number. If A is the first number means B will become A plus 1. Okay, next C will become A plus 2, and also we can write C is equal to B plus 1. These numbers are in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. See, the first number will multiplied from 2A and the second number will multiplied from 3 of A plus 1 and third number will multiplied from 4 of A plus 2 and add up. We have to add up this number is equal to 74. Okay. 2A write as it is. Again 3 into A, 3A plus 3 ones are 3. 4 into A, 4A plus 4 twos are 8 is equal to 74. Okay, next 2A plus 3A plus 4A, it will become 9A. 9A is equal to 9A plus 8 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11 is equal to 74. 9A is equal to 74. We have to send again plus 11 from LHS to RHS. If we send plus 11 from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 11. 9A is equal to 74 minus 11, 63. A is equal to 63 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. So, the first number A is equal to 7. If the first number A is equal to 7 means, we know that B is equal to A plus 1. It is nothing but 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Next, C is equal to A plus 2. C is equal to A plus 2 means 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Therefore, these numbers are the three consecutive integers are consecutive integers are 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So, understood?